Yo, welcome back to CTZ the Rail Yahoo guys, and today we bring to you Volume 4, Episode 6 of Life Outdoors, guys. Yesterday we came out here and had a blast, and it was a blessing. I just want to thank the Lord once again for this beautiful day, guys, and do not take for granted what the Lord has given you, for today is the day that the Lord has made, and this is the day we will rejoice. We will rejoice in it and be glad that the Lord has given us another opportunity to wake up, another opportunity to breathe breath, another opportunity to see with our natural and spiritual eyes, another opportunity to see and hear with our spiritual ears. What most take for granted, what most do not appreciate, guys. Always do such things, guys. Make sure you guys stay prayed up. Make sure you guys stay in the Lord's will. Make sure you abide by His presence, for that day is coming when the Lord will not accept any other thing less than what He has given us commands to do. Guys, we got 3 rods, and my wife just got a new rod. We went to Walmart, and we got red worms and night crawlers. We're gonna be taking it out there and see what we can do. Thanks be unto God. I'll catch you when we start catching them. Shalom. Alright guys, first fish of the day, we got a white perch by the skin of his lip. This little fella was definitely eating on my worm. He took most of it off. Thanks be unto the Lord, man, for the first fish of the day. We're going to go ahead and let her go and keep catching them. My wife's over there getting bites, and hopefully the Lord provides as He always does, man. It's nothing but a blessing once again. If this is all that we catch, hey, I'll still be grateful, man. Praise be unto the Most High God. Shalom. Alright guys, fish number 2. I was not letting him take my worm. Thank you, baby. Thanks be unto the Lord, man. I hooked him right on the skin of his lips. Praise be unto God, man. Nothing but a blessing. We're going to go ahead and throw this bad boy back out there, see if we can't get another one. Shalom. Oh, it's a big white perch. Yes. Thanks be unto the Lord. This is fish number 3, guys. Honestly, this bad boy coming home. She too thick. She too thick, boy. Thanks be unto the Lord, man. She's a tanker. Praise be unto the Most High. We're going to go ahead and put her on the stringer. We're starting off the day great, guys. Let's go ahead and keep catching them. I'll catch you when we start catching some more. Shalom. Got him. Another tank, guys. We got fish number 4. We got fish number 4, guys. Honestly, she's not the heavy set we're looking for, but it's been nothing but a blessing, guys. Thanks be unto the Lord. She's a little tall. We're gonna go ahead and let her go. If she was a little bit bigger, we definitely would take her. Thanks be unto the Lord, guys. Shalom. Guys, fish number 6, and we hooked him on the gill. Hooked him right on the gill plate. That's how you know he was swiping at my bait. Oh. Come here, buddy. Thanks be unto the Lord, man. Another beauty. If he was a little bit bigger, we definitely put him on a stringer, but we're going to try to get a couple more in the 10, 11, even 12-inch status, and I believe the Lord can do even better than that. And we're going to catch a bunch of species today, so you guys stay tuned. Just wait. watch and see the goodness of the Lord. Shalom. Guys, we got fish number 9. Didn't even know I had this little fella on there. Thanks be unto the Lord, man. We're about to bust into double digits. And guys, once again, wait in this video and see what the Lord is going to do. God loves you, I love you. I'll catch you whenever we start catching. Even more so. Shalom. Guys, look at this shell cracker. PB shell cracker ever, guys. Come here. Open your mouth. Can't get the hook back, but guys, thanks be unto the Lord. Look at this tank. Guys, this is a 1.5 pound shell cracker. Look at that. Look at my hand compared to that. Let me bring it up next to my chest. Like, guys, look at the comparison of this fish. Thanks be unto the Lord, man. Nothing but a blessing. Guys, I told you be net breaking, and you see we done caught a shell cracker, so we breaking right out the shell. Just wait. The Lord's going to provide with so much more. Shalom. Keep catching them. All right, guys, we got fish number 11. That shell cracker was fish number 10. Nice beauty, by the way. Another little white perch. We're gonna go ahead and let this beauty go. Send it back home. Shalom. Fish number 12, guys, and it's a big old white perch. Praise be to the Lord, man. She's bleeding. We're gonna clean her off real quick, guys. She's bleeding. We're gonna put her on a stringer. She's definitely eatable. Praise be to the Most High God, man. Shalom. Gonna keep catching. Fish number 13, thanks be unto God, man. Another little white perch. We're gonna go ahead and let this little beauty go and get back to catching them. Shalom. Fish number 16, guys. Another big old white perch. Fish number 16, guys. She's a little too small. We're gonna go ahead and let her go. Shalom. Thanks be unto God, man. Another blessing. This right here fighting.
Is it catfish?
I don't know what it is.
Catfish.
Big old white perch. Hooked him in his gill plate, guys. We're not gonna keep him. We already got 2 big old white perch, to be honest. We're looking for some crappie, some spotted bass, or some more shell crackers, guys. Thanks be unto the Lord, though, guys. This is fish number 17, little beauty. We're gonna go ahead and let this guy go. Thanks be unto God. Shalom. Hooking by the skin of his lip, guys. Hooking by the skin of his lip. Thanks be unto the Lord. I'm pretty sure that's fish number 19 or 20. But we're gonna go ahead and let this little small fry go. Shalom. That's fish number 20. Thanks be to the Lord. Hooked him right under his gill plate. Give me the hook. Thanks be to the Lord for this little cow. We're gonna go ahead and let her go. Praise Adonai. We pinned her. This is fish number 21. Pin on the bottom lip. She will definitely survive, guys. All right, let's get that out. Praise be unto God. I'm about to say for this little beauty, we're gonna go ahead and let her go and keep catching them. Shalom. In the waves, guys, in the waves. Peeing this little fella, he thought he was gonna get away with it. It's all right tonight. It's fish number 22. Oh, I hooked him again on accident. My bad, bro. Praise be to the Most High. We're gonna go ahead and let this little shrimp go. Shalom. Thanks be unto the Lord. Oh, I missed you guys almost. Guys, thank you guys for tuning in to CTZ Rally Yahoo. We just ended off episode 6 of volume 4, Life Outdoors, man. Thanks be unto God. We went double digits again. We caught at least around 21, 22, 23 fish, somewhere in there, guys. We caught our PB shell cracker. I've never caught a shell cracker that big, guys. So thanks be unto God for that once again. And we caught 2 other white perch that are going along with that shell cracker, and we are taking her home, putting them on ice, and stringing them. Thanks be unto the Most High God, guys. Do not forget to thank the Lord. Do not forget to give him honor, glory, and praise. Do not forget the purpose that he has given you and to abide in his presence. Make sure that you obey his commands. Make sure that you submit under his mighty arm. For one day, he will not answer your call. So call on the Lord while he is still near. Calling him while he still may be found. God loves you. I love you. Make sure you guys hit the like, subscribe, and share button. Become a part of the real family today. And turn on post notifications. Shalom.